This video will cover 9B Stoichiometry Worksheet, problem number 3, the second part, so I'm going to call that 3B. We are still using the same equation up here, which is 2 potassium plus 1 Cl2 plus will yield 2 potassium chloride molecules. So remember, the coefficients in front of each atom or molecule is going to be your molar ratios. And the question says that there's excess potassium. How many grams of KCl is produced from 1 gram of Cl2 when there's excess potassium? However, that just means we've got plenty of potassium, so the only thing we're worried about are grams of Cl2 and grams of KCl, which we are trying to find. So we're going to set up our ratios first and then go back and fill in all of the data that we need. You always start with what you are given. So this is our start. So we're going to start with 1 gram of Cl2. Remember, whatever we start with, it's on the top, so therefore we're going to fill it in on the bottom. So it's grams of Cl2, and we have to convert that to moles of Cl2. So now, since moles of Cl2 is on the top, we're going to put moles of Cl2 on the bottom. And we are trying to go from substance A to substance B. So if we start with Cl2, then we need to convert that to moles of KCl. So that's going from substance A to substance B. So we have moles of KCl on the top, so therefore we have moles of KCl on the bottom, and they're asking us how many grams, so we need to convert back to grams of KCl. So the first thing we're going to do is fill in the molar masses, and I'm going to help you with that. The molar mass for Cl2 is 70.9 grams per 1 mole, and the molar mass for KCl is 74.55 grams for every mole of KCl. So the molar ratios in the middle then come from the coefficient. So the coefficient for KCl is 2, and the coefficient for Cl2 is 1. So therefore, we're going to put a 2 for moles of KCl and a 1 for moles of Cl2. It's very, very important that you set up your fractions first. Otherwise, you will get this ratio here of 2 to 1. You will swap those and you will get the wrong answer. So in order to finish the problem, it's all set up. All you have to do is put everything in your calculator. For sake of time, your answer should be 2.10 grams of KCl. We started with 3 sig figs, we finished with 3 sig figs, and therefore we have our answer. That's it for this video. Thank you.